Today, in this video, we will talk about how to cancel Seed Probiotic subscription. So, all official methods and information you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Please note, to stop receiving orders from Seed, cancel your subscription online in your Seed account. You can pause my video or carefully see all steps. So first you need to log in to your Seed account. Navigate to Settings and scroll down to Manage Subscriptions. Click Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts. You'll receive an automated email confirming the cancellation. Should you wish to start back up, you can easily reactivate under subscriptions as well. To note, canceling your subscription will not cancel any orders that have already been processed. If you cancel all of your active subscriptions, your loyalty points will expire in 90 days. So by using this method, you can easily cancel Seed Probiotic subscription. Hopefully this video will helpful. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.